Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar, working assistant professor in Civil Engineering Department in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today my topic is rails. So first of all, discuss about what is rail. The rail is high carbon rolled steel section which are laid end to end in two parallel lines over the slipper and level surface for the train to move for the carrying axle load for the rolling stock are called rails. Function of rail. First function is to provide continuous and level surface for the movement of train with minimum friction with steel wheel of a rolling stock. Second is provide strength and durability and lateral guidance to the track. Transmit the axle load to the slipper and which transfer the load to the blast. Types of rail. Three types of rail: double-headed rail, bull-headed rail, and third is flat-footed rail. Double-headed rail. In this type of rail, these are consist of three parts: upper part, web part, and lower table. Both upper and lower table are identical, and they were introduced with the hope of doubling the life of rail. However, this idea to be wrong because has been observed long contact with chair and the surface of lower table very rough and smooth running train was then impossible. So these rail are now practical out of use. Bull-headed rail. In this type of rail, it consists of head, web and foot, and this type of rail made of steel. In this, head is larger than foot and the foot is designed properly hold the wooden kicks and which the rail are secured to the chairs. These are figures shown rails. The two cast iron are required per each slipper and these rail are adopted. Third is flat-footed rail. In this type of rail, the foot is separated out to form the base, and this type of rail invented by Charles Wangler in 1836. Hence, these rail are sometimes known as Wingloss rail. Advantage of rails. First is chairs. In this first advantage, no chair are required in the form of rail. The foot of rail are directed spike to the slippers, and this makes them economical. Second is stiffness. This form of rail of stiffer both vertically and laterally. Bull-head rail of equal weight. Cost. Flat-footed rail are found to be cheaper than bull-headed rail. And last is load distribution. The flat-footed rail distribute the train load over a great number of slippers, and this will result a greater track suitability. So this will about the rail. Thank you very much.